How to fix messages blocked on Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can easily fix the message block in Gmail. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Gmail and then check the content of your message. Well, Gmail has strict policies to prevent spams and inappropriate content that ensures that your message does not contain any suspicious link, excessive emojis, or language that might trigger Gmail spam filters. If your message contains large attachments or files, try sending the emails without them. Large attachment can trigger Gmail security filters and result in message being blocked. Make sure you are sending the email to the valid and correct email address. Sometimes mistypes or incorrect email address can cause message to be blocked or bounce back. If the issue persists, try sending the message from different email accounts. If none of the previous steps work for you, you can just reach out to Gmail support for assistance. They might be able to provide insights into why your messages are being blocked and offer specific solutions occasionally. Gmail might block message if it suspects a violation of its terms of service. Check if your account has been suspended or if there are any notifications regarding your account status. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.